right, we're back. It's Penny, and I'm going to talk to you about how to do a traffic ad with one of these blog posts. We're going to talk about a couple of options because now that Facebook is not allowing you to change the images, it has to match the image on your landing page. Then there are a couple of things to consider with this. We do love the images that they create for us in Elite Marketing Pro. These are not necessarily the best images to get clicks in an ad campaign. So it is absolutely okay to run this when you're first getting started. Totally recommend you do it. You're learning the process of creating a Facebook ad, and that is going to get you results. Okay, so we're going to look at that exactly what we did before. Okay, you're going to come into Ads Manager. You're going to click Create Ad. This time you're going to choose Traffic. And actually what I'm going to do is come up here and show you the difference. So engagement is get more engagements, page likes, or event responses. So engagement is a like, comment, or share. An engagement that's a like on a post is not the same thing as a like on your page. That would be the page likes version of it. So you can get thousands of likes on your posts. It does not get likes for your page. Those are two separate things. It is a little bit confusing since they put them both under engagement, but that's the way it is. What you want to focus on for this one is traffic. So this is send more people to a destination on or off Facebook, such as a website, app, or messenger conversation. So for this, it's a website. It's the Elite Marketing Pro blog, or it's your blog when you get it set up. So we're going to talk about both of those things and go through the ad process quickly. So if you're running traffic with that post that you've already shared, that's what I'm going to show you first, and then we'll flip over to Create New. So what this is going to be is a website up here. That's what you're going to click. For that audience, we're just going to do exactly the same thing we did last time. Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland, if I can spell. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I missing? Oh, did I somehow? Oh, the US is in there. Okay, it's just not showing. Got it. All right, there we go. 311 million people. Definitely too much. We want to reduce that. So if we are 25 up, men and women, detailed targeting, we're going to go back in, and so these, may not get these popping up. All right, if you start typing in Eric Worre, you want this one as the bigger one. Ray Higdon, let's see, Sarah Robbins, and Savvy Network Marketing Women. And then when you click here, it's going to give you similar suggestions. So we'll use those four for now. We do not want to expand it. You want to make sure that is not checked. You don't want to change the connection type. You're just going to leave all that alone. If this is an audience you want to keep running ads to, then you can save the audience and you can just name it. It's going to automatically default to your ad account name. So I would name it, network marketing targets, English countries, 25 up. And, then you can save it. I'm not going to save it because I have other audiences saved in mine. Just like we did with the engagement, we're going to edit that placement. We're going to turn these off. Just because I'm not using them doesn't mean they don't work. It means I don't want you to get confused or sidetracked with trying to learn how to make ads work in Messenger, Audience Network, or Instagram. I just want you focused on Facebook feeds for now. So again, we can change that. $5 or $10 a day is fine to start to get it working. And let's take it up to 10. skip this, it's going to say go to landing page. So you wait for people to, for the content to load. You can't do that unless you're on a website where you have your Pixel installed. So we're just going to do link clicks for now. You leave the rest of that the same. Now, if we're using this post that we've already put on our page, all we have to do is click up at the top, use existing post, and you're going to choose, that's the first one that pops up. You're going to choose that one. It's the first one that has a link in it most likely. And you're just going to place the ad right here. You're going to click confirm and place the ad. Now, if you want to create this on your ads manager so that you can edit it over time, then you're going to choose single image here. Skip this canvas thing and you're going to upload an image. The image has to match the landing page now. So what you're going to do is come back to the blog post. You're going to come right here. You're going to right click and save image as. You're going to save that image on your computer and upload it. So for these purposes, I would say it is easier for you to put it on your page and then run a traffic ad with it, because we can't change those elements anymore with Facebook. So the better solution, in my opinion, is you take this content from EMP and you highlight everything. We don't want everything on the side there, but you can copy and paste, or you can rewrite it in your own words. As long as at the bottom of the post or the top of the post somewhere you give credit to Elite Marketing Pro or to the author of that post. In this case, it's Fernie. And you put a link back to this blog post. So when you put that link back, you're going to have your affiliate link. You're going to have your affiliate ID in there. So if anybody clicks on the link in your blog and comes back to the EMP blog, it's still going to be tied to you. So the better solution for this is to get your EMP blog set up. So this is the back office of my Elite Marketing Pro blog. This is the Page Creator Pro blog. And you see, it doesn't say Page Creator Pro at the top. That's because when you're setting up your blog, the very last video in there shows you how to map your domain to your EMP blog. So you buy a domain for about $10 and you can map it to this blog. So when people type in your domain name, they land on your EMP blog. And in that case, what we'll do is, let's see, are you recruiting the wrong people into your downline? So what we're going to do is just hover and we're going to right click and open this in a new tab. If you're on a Mac, you may just have to open it and then go to view. So if we go, let's see, if we go into edit on this, whether you're in a Mac or a PC, you can click right here and view the post. Now I'm doing it in a new tab because I don't want to lose this dashboard tab. So once you open that, and I'm not going to go through setting up your blog and all that. There are very detailed directions on how to do that. From your home page here, you click Tools, watch this little welcome video, and then you click Access Now under Page Creator Pro. One click sets it up. I recommend you right click, open in a new tab, scroll down, or right click here, open in a new tab. Once you click this, it's going to give you a quick welcome and overview. You have blog training videos, and then you have capture training videos. So you've got everything right there. Now this is the blog post that we're talking about. So first of all, you're not going to be able to change this image or this title. So if you want it to be different, you're going to change it in the post, and I'll show you where to access that in a moment. But all you're going to do is highlight this at the top, and you're going to copy that, and you're going to come back over to your page. Or if you're in Ads Manager and you want to do a new post, okay, create a new ad, you're doing a single image. What we're going to do right here is just paste that URL that we copied in here. And Facebook is going to fetch all this information from that blog post. And it's going to pull everything right there. Now, it did not pull the entire headline. So when things like that happen, you're just going to have to come back over here and grab it. It does match, so you're still within the rules of Facebook, but you're just going to need to grab that entire headline. I usually take the link off when I'm doing ads like this. No button. And then I really don't want the text below the image to be exactly the same as what's above it. So let's see. So we'll just copy those first few sentences like we did in the last one. You can certainly read through, find more compelling content to put there. I am teaching you more the structure, not the art of building the ad. Okay, and I'm going to take the dollar amounts out of here. Building a profitable MLM business can be difficult. We're just going to take all that income part out. And leave that there. All right, so no button. There's our headline. There's our image from the post. And then here is my URL here, not Elite Marketing Pro, my URL. So again, I'm not going to do anything on a display link or newsfeed description. I'm just going to let it pull what's in the post for that. And you can go ahead, confirm that, and set it in place. Now, if that's not the image you want shown, then let's see. It looks like this is in Thrive Content Builder. So it's just taking a moment to open up. And all of these things here can be changed. So the image here, the headline, all of these elements, you see this is a paragraph there that you can edit or copy. And then it's actually back in this edit post space. See the feature image here? That's what's going to show. That featured image is what's going to show on social media. So you can remove it and replace it with something else. And then also the headline here, just as that appears, is what's going to appear in social media. So you have to change that if you want it to be something different. And that's it. Then you would just click update to save it. And that's all you'll do. Now, the one we did back here is already done. We've already submitted that. We're just waiting for that to get approved. And that's how you do the traffic ads. Hope that was helpful for you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the community.